You got a crib.
Wow, thank you. Thank you.
Mommy, it comes with a crib.
Wow, Alex.
Wow.
Santa. And you got this from Santa. For me? Yeah.
At some point, you're going to have to let us play with something.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, slippers! Oh, Santa slippers!
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, look, they're adorable.
Whoa. Daddy, we got you this one.
There you go.
Look at Richard!
What do you got?
Richard!
Books.
Books? Oh, you love books, Evelyn.
Santa didn't write. Who's this one?
That's
a
for Papa.
Oh. This.
Mm-hmm.
Santa goes beep beep beep.
Ooh.
Hey, where was my...
I got this from everybody.
not
I got
too
this
much.
from Santa.
That's from Santa?
Hello?
You? Or both of you?
For me.
Santa? Okay.
Star goes beep beep beep. A same check as Evelyn.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
wow.
Why does it have a check that says please?
That's on the store.
There's a little store.
Of course he does.
Of course he does. Sends all those elves.
Hey, I got the same one as you. Now we can both wear it.
Are you going to open them and give
Look good.
Allie?
Ev, give that one to Mommy. That's from you and Evelyn to Mommy.
Yeah.